cheese이랑 그냥 아침에 해먹는 건데.
You think you're bad? You ain't seen bad yet. I come and go.
심플해 보이는데.
Simple is best. Yeah.
Are you excited for ITZY's Countdown debut stage? Tala tala yeah. Don't miss out something extraordinary. Be there.
하늘 다르게 비춰진 필름의 소리를 들어요. I still wonder, beautiful story.
I'm studying English and eating and boxing. Yeah. Wow, nice. That's it?
It's a blessing. We can get so much love for doing what we love to do.
Yeah.
We are so thankful.
This is my first time here in LA and I feel like, oh, I want to live here. I don't know why. I just love the streets, love food, everything. The weather's nice too. English please 이래.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
Here's your Spotify K-quiz. What does ITZY mean? Tweet your answer with hashtag Spotify K-quiz and hashtag ITZY. Thank you.
It's like a bowl.
It's the bone.
Kids. I love mangoes.
The weather is beautiful, everyone. Whoever's asking, it is like really nice. Not very cold. I think I'm crying because of the wind. I want to look like a beautiful
아니야.
a deer. I love spring. I think today just marks the day. I mean, it just yeah. So, how are we gonna say bye? Bye.
Like that? Like
the network isn't very good in here, so it just like turned off. Sorry, guys.
Always, like when we don't have a like boyfriend or girlfriend, we always say like, oh, I'm so lonely. I wanna date, you know, something like that. But I thought the biggest love we are all searching is like the love for oneself. So, I mean, like if you want to love others, I think you should love yourself or myself.
At Mount, are the boys learning more English?
I really want to say yes, but not really.
No?
Yeah.
You want to say yes, but not really.
Yeah, not really.
They don't.
Okay.
Do they put forward the effort? Do they try?
Actually, they don't try because I think they just spent every responsibility on me because I am in charge of it, so they just let it.
I used to live in New Zealand for 5 years. So.
For 5 years.
Yeah.
Did you study English?
I mean, of course, I lived there. I didn't really have to study. So.
So which city did you live in?
Do you know any cities in New Zealand?
Of course. Wellington, Christchurch, Auckland.
I lived in Auckland.
Auckland.